How to sell your crypto on Binance. So if you want to sell your crypto on Binance, then first you just need to simply launch your Binance mobile application, and then you have to simply log into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, the first thing you have to do is simply tap on this wallet option, which is on the bottom right of your screen. Once you tap on wallet, you're going to see the overview of the crypto that you have, whether it is in the sport wallet or the funding wallet or any wallet. So here you just need to select the particular crypto which you want to sell. After doing, you'll have to come to the home page, and then in the search bar on the top you have to simply search for that crypto which you want to sell. After that, you have to tap on it, and once you're done, you're going to see the chart of that particular crypto. Now over here, the first thing that you need to do is simply select it as USDT. If it is not selected already, in order to do so, you'll have to tap on this drop down arrow button, and you need to select the USDT. Make sure that it is selected as USDT, and afterwards you have to click on the sell button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once you've done that, you will be redirected to the sell page where you are going to see its current price. Now over here, you just have to enter the amount of coin that you want to sell. You can either enter the amount manually, or you can use this slider in order to sell it according to the percentage, such as if you want to sell in the percentage of 25 or any other, then you can select it as that percentage. You can select as 20, or you can select 50. You can use this slider in order to select the amount. After that, you will have to tap on the sell button, which is here on the bottom, and the sell order will be placed, and in this way you will be able to easily sell your crypto on Binance. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.